Hi guys, I'm Daniel with the Los Angeles Maritime Institute. Today we'll be charting our course from Santa Rosa Island to 2 harbors on Catalina Island. We'll be using this chart. A chart is a nautical map. Maps are pictures of the land, while charts are pictures of the water. In addition to the chart, we'll also be using a pencil, a divider, and a parallel ruler. Let's get started. We'll start by drawing a line between the 2 islands, making sure we don't hit any land on the way. This line will help us calculate the course, or the degree at which we need to sail in order to get to Catalina. And we'll just turn in here and come into 2 harbors. To determine the course, we'll put the ruler on the line we drew between the 2 islands and then move it to the nearest compass rose printed on the chart. On this chart, that's right next to the line we drew. Where that line falls is the degree we need to steer, so our course for this trip will be 109 degrees. The compass rose we use is a circle with 360 degrees. As you can see a little more clearly here, we just move this parallel line up to the middle of the compass, and that tells us what our compass should read as we sail to Catalina. Now, we want to use this line we drew to determine how far we're going to travel. We're using nautical miles rather than miles, and they're a little bit different. Each nautical mile is equal to 1.15 miles. Each degree, or line of latitude, is equal to 60 nautical miles. Each degree of latitude is also split up. It's split up into 60 sections. Each of these sections is called a minute of latitude. So there are 60 minutes of latitude for every degree. On our chart, each minute of latitude is equal to 1 nautical mile. Since our journey is pretty long, we'll be measuring by groups of 10 nautical miles. So we'll take our divider and measure out 10 minutes of latitude, which is equal to 10 nautical miles. Okay, so let's take our divider and walk it out. We got 10 nautical miles, 20 nautical miles, 30 nautical miles, 40 nautical miles, 50 nautical miles, 60 nautical miles, 70, 80. So for this last little bit, we'll measure out distance into 2 harbors and then take that over to our lines of latitude. Count it out, it looks like it's about 7 minutes of latitude or 7 nautical miles. So for us to get from Santa Rosa Island to 2 harbors at Catalina Island, we're going to set a course of 109 degrees and we're going to sail for 87 nautical miles. Thanks for helping us chart our course.